The NexusWealth project is going to make your investment life so much simpler and more effective, and you can easily get into it, so get ready. So guys, have you ever wondered why investing often feels like it's only built for the rich, or why traditional investment platforms seem slow, complicated, and expensive? Guys, that is exactly the problem that the NexusWealth Investment Solutions project is going to try and solve. And today we are going to be showcasing you all the features and utility of this project and how easily you can get into it and what we can expect from it in the near future. But before we get to that, just remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always remember to make the decision for yourself and deciding to invest into your project. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. Let's go and take a look at what it's all about, what the NWIS project is about. So traditional investment management can be expensive, exclusive, and hard to access. And if you are a retail investor, your options are often limited to index funds like those managed by BlackRock, Vanguard, or State Street. Sure, guys, they are stable, but the returns are usually pretty small for what you put in. And even when the fund loses value, you still pay management fees that range between 0.03% and about 0.25% per year. Meanwhile, guys, higher value opportunities like hedge funds, private equity, or real estate portfolios are mostly off limits, and they require large minimum investments, tons of paperwork, and often lack transparency and liquidity, guys. So in short, they have high entry barriers, they have slow and expensive processes, they have limited access for you, the end user. There is a lack of transparency and little to no liquidity, guys, and this is why so many everyday investors get left behind. And this is where the NWIS project comes in, guys. This project aims to change that by tokenizing real-world assets, things like property, private funds, and more. NexusWealth wants to make investing accessible, affordable, liquid, transparent, and efficient for you guys, the user who is doing it all from their home, on their PC, mobile phone, doesn't matter, guys. It's going to be accessible for you. And essentially the goal is to open up the same kinds of investment products that were once reserved for institutions and high net worth individuals, but in a way that's simple and more flexible for you, the typical regular user. And today we can go and find all those features right here that they're aiming to bring. And here we have the about section that I have just presented you what the project is actually about. So basically, guys, a few things make the NexusWealth project stand out. They have all investments that are backed by real world assets, not just speculation. And here we can go ahead and get started taking a look at their quest and their pre-sale that is going on right here. So they have the entire system that runs on blockchain, which powers investing, trading, and governance, and anybody who passes the KYC and AML verification can participate globally within the project. So smart contracts automatically handle profit distribution and operations, and you have lower operating costs, meaning more value can stay with the investors. And most importantly, guys, everything is transparent and on chain, guys. This is what makes it stand out and why people are getting into this project. And now let's go and talk about the token utility. Here we have the tokenomics, where we can go and take a look at the total supply, all the percentages, allocations, and so on. So this token plays a key role in the ecosystem, so it can be used for governance and voting on platform decisions. You have staking or yield bearing functions. Staking is one of the most important features that the project have, providing a lot of option for making passive income within the project and enabling users to earn profit just by holding the token. So this is great for the project as well. And they even have a collateral for decentralized finance loans within the NexusWealth ecosystem that is also going to be used by the token itself. This means that you can borrow against your holdings instead of selling them, so giving you access to liquidity while still keeping ownership. And every token is backed by real economic activity within the NWIS platform. So they have their compliance and legitimacy done as well. The company is structured as a registered business with a clear operational model, not just a concept. Here you can find all their documents and the about section. So everything you need is right here, such as their legal documents and everything that comes alongside with it, such as the security audit as well. So NWIS is legally formed in multiple jurisdictions. Its smart contracts are audited by Certec, a leading blockchain security firm. As you can see right here, it holds a Certec team verification badge as well. And unlike speculative projects, NWIS uses real asset-backed structures that give the backbone. So this positions it closer to a fintech platform than a typical crypto project, and this is what makes it so special. And here we can go ahead and find on their main page their roadmap of the project. So it has a clear roadmap outlining its upcoming developments, and it's always important to have a roadmap as showcases you that the team know what their steps are they need to take with the project to become successful, starting phase 1 with the foundation, regulatory compliance. We have phase 2, marketing, fundraising, compliance, going all the way to phase 5, which is exponential growth, for Q2 of 2027. So they are aiming far into the future, guys. They know what they're doing and they know what they want to do with this project. So all key documents are available on their website. The focus is on long-term trust, guys, with on-chain reporting, transparent token supply, and community-driven governance as the platform grows. So how can you participate? Well, guys, first let's go and take a look at their quests right here. So you can complete quests to earn the NWIS tokens and unlock exclusive rewards where you can level up your participation in their ecosystem. You can visit the quest page and check it out for yourself, and completing tasks like an early adopter, purchasing or following them on social media can unlock certain rewards, and you can get into the pre-sale as well that we're going to go and be showcasing in just a moment. So here you have the quest. As you can see, the early investor quest, so you can be among the first 1,000 users to purchase their tokens. You have the social media champion where you can get started following them on Twitter and so on for more points. And there you have it, guys. You can complete quests to earn your share of the massive NWIS token giveaway. Here you can launch their application in the upper right corner. This is going to take you to the pre-sale stage right here. Today we are going to go and get ourselves some tokens. We want to go and become a part of this project right here. You can do so easily for yourself. You can go and connect your wallet in the upper right corner. As you can see, I have already connected. It's going to take you 5 seconds to go and log into your wallet, and you're ready to do so. From here, guys, we can get started purchasing the first stage. You have the sale progress right here. Select Ethereum, USDT, USDC, whatever you prefer, and you can get started selecting the amount that you want to purchase. Let's say we want to go ahead and purchase 200 USDT worth of the tokens, and it's going to show us the amount we have right here. So from here we can go and click the approve button. That's going to go and open up this dialog from where we can go and get started confirming the spend amount right here. So as you can see, it's going to show us the network we are spending on and the network fee. From here you can just go ahead and click the confirm option. So by confirming, guys, this is going to enable us to go and proceed with the transaction. As you can see, the transaction was submitted. From here, let's go ahead and close this extension, and now it's going to go and show us that the transfer has been confirmed in just a couple of moments. And after that, we are going to go ahead and be able to access our tokens in our portfolio right here. So as you can see, transaction has been confirmed after 5 seconds, and now you can go and view it on Etherscan. So once that we have confirmed the transaction in our wallet, from here we can get started reviewing the transaction. So we're going to click the review transaction option. That's going to enable us to take a look at this page right here. So we're going to review the transaction details and the token purchase agreement before confirming our purchase. And from here, we have to go ahead and read the token purchase agreement. So as you can see, it's going to show us our estimated gas fees and the tokens we were about to receive, and then we can go and view this agreement right here. So you want to read through this, you want to get all the info and all the details for yourself and confirm that you have read this right here and agree with it. From here, guys, we can click the buy option. That's going to enable us to buy into the token by clicking the buy option. So it's going to go ahead and open up our wallet right here, where we're going to go and be able to take a look at how much we are going to go ahead and be spending. As you can see, the transaction request, the network fee is right here, and from here we can get started. So just by clicking the confirm button, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and enable us. Our transaction was submitted, and now, guys, we have sent our USDT right here, and this is how much we are going to go ahead and be receiving, and this is it. So from here we can close the extension, and now, guys, you can see it is confirming right here. We have our transaction details, confirm transaction, and our transaction has hash, and from here we can go and view it on Etherscan for yourself if you would like. And there you have it, guys. So I suggest for you to go ahead and also read the token purchase agreement right here, get all the info for yourself, confirm the transaction, and there you have it, guys. We have purchased our tokens, and now we own this amount that we have just spent right here. And there you have it, guys. That is how easily you can go and get into the pre-sale. So if you want to go and get into it for yourself, this is how you can do so. Find all the info right here on the main pre-sale page. And once you have finished with the purchase, here at the top of the screen, you can go ahead and get started taking a look at the staking options. You have your governance options and so on, and your portfolio, where you can go and take a look at your estimated funds and whatever you might need. So if you're interested in the project and you want to get into it, right here on their main page at the bottom of the screen, you can find their social media. So you have their Twitter, you have their official Telegram. You can go ahead and follow them on Twitter for regular updates on what's happening with the project. So also go ahead and join the Telegram group and talk with similar-minded people. Talk with them, ask them any questions you might have. They'll give you an answer on why the project is for you, and keep in touch on Twitter for regular updates on airdrops, giveaways, anything that might be happening. It's available right here. All the rest of the links that you need are available down in the description to get into the project and the pre-sale today. So go ahead and check it out for yourself and take a look at how you can get started investing today. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on so you can always be notified when we upload a new video. But guys, thanks for watching today's one. I hope I'll see you next one, and bye.